Hi guys, Paul here from Pilgrim Motorsports and Muscle Car UK. Today we've got a 1967 Coupe V8 for you in Brittany Blue. One of the best colours I think they ever built. This looks fantastic in the sun, just absolutely stunning with the chrome and the blue. It's got a V8 302 engine in it, rebuilt, reconditioned, so you've got one of the best engines that they built inside this car as well. It's got a few extras which we'll go through shortly, but just have a look down the side of this car. Absolutely fabulous looking car. It's got the torque thrust American racing alloys on it, which have the grey and the sort of burnished metal trim to it, which looks lovely with the chrome and the blue. And of course it picks out this lovely sign here, this beautiful Mustang chrome sign. I mean, that just looks beautiful sitting there. All the chrome's good all through here, no pitting on these little quarter lights, and I think I've said many occasions these are really expensive, so to get really good quality ones is a lovely thing to have. Wing mirrors all nice and solid and good. Come back through down the car, the chrome around the back, the way the car sits, the back of it has all had new chrome, so it's new bumpers, new tail lights. Obviously the 67's got the concave back end to it. That's one of the ways of telling what it is. You've got twin tailpipes coming out the back, and you've got the reverse lights as well, all new. Tyres are good, they've only done a few hundred miles. And if you come round and have a quick look at the interior, we can show you again the data tag on the door. You can see here it's still present. So this has got all the bits and pieces on it you might need to know, when it was built, where it was built, etc, etc, and that marries up obviously with the numbers inside the bonnet, which we'll have a look at shortly. Sorry, there's a little bit of rain about at the moment, so there's a few bits of droplets here and there, so but as you can see, you've got the wooden steering wheel, you've got the center console, which was, this car was actually what they called a Sprint, which was a limited edition vehicle. Didn't have a great deal, it's just one of those sales gimmicks that Ford had. They'd put the center console in, it had chrome silk covers at one stage, and that was pretty much about it with the Sprint. They didn't have a great deal, but it just makes it slightly different and it's nice to have. If we have a look under the bonnet now, we can show you what it's got. Actually, before we look under there, maybe we could get a closer look at, you can see the discs in here, drilled discs. So you've got power brakes with the drill disc, if you can see behind there. So as I said, it's got the 302 V8, which is one of the smoothest engines, and under here we have the power brakes, the power steering, which are the lovely extras to have if you want to drive a car, just have a bit of fun with. There's the power steering, there's the power brakes with the big servo. 302 engine, so you've got a little bit more brake horsepower. Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock filter. Just a really great original car. You've also got here on this side, like I mentioned, the data plate. There's the chassis number. You'll see it there, which obviously matches the door tag. So you know you've got a proper car on your hands. But a lovely car, beautiful colour, absolutely stunning. Let's go and give it a drive, see what it goes like.
I'm out today in this really nice 1967 Mustang 302, which is 5 litres in the new money. Automatic transmission, lovely car. It has, it benefits from cross-drilled and vented front disc brakes and a set of torque thrust aluminium wheels by American Racing equipment. Really is an excellent car. It's a car we imported and we prepared it in our own workshops to our usual standard. As you know, all the cars are meticulously inspected and prepared to the highest of levels. Another great thing about Mustang ownership, especially a classic Mustang, is the availability of spare parts. Every part for this car is available from either our UK or US suppliers. You can buy a car like this knowing that if anything ever did go wrong, the parts are there, you can buy them, and we can fit them for you. But hey, we go through them, it's such a fine tooth comb, you shouldn't really have any issues other than regular servicing. If ever you've dreamed of owning a classic American car, it's time to live that dream.